Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to shoot some videos today for the YouTube channel, but before that I just wanted to show you guys a couple of products that I just received in the mail. It's going to hopefully allow me to bring you way better high quality video content for the YouTube channel. So I just received this GoPro mic adapter, and I've received this UNBOX V3 Pro GoPro cage. So right now I'm just using the inbuilt microphone off the GoPro, but I've actually got this cage now. So I've had this Rode microphone here for a while now, so this microphone will just sit on top of that cage, and hopefully I can get you guys clearer audio, better exhaust sounds from the Evo with that, and my video quality is heaps better. Alright, so I've just started my YouTube journey. I'm still learning how to vlog. I'm still learning how to record and edit everything. I've just invested my own money into buying products so that my videos are getting high quality. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do check out my other content because I'm still learning. I've got heaps more content coming your way. We're gonna build this Evo into a full-blown track car, hopefully. I've still got my WRX that I need to start working on too. So heaps more coming your way. Alright, so I'm going to go and shoot a couple more videos for you guys to watch. But in this video, I'll be doing a before and after. I'll do a drive with no mic, and then I'll install the mic and I'll do a quick drive, and hopefully you guys can notice the difference. Alright guys, so this is just a quick example of what it is. This is with no mic. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the engine, and I sort of feel like I've got to yell a little bit just so that the microphone picks up my voice. Alright guys, so I just installed the microphone into the GoPro, and this is what it sounds like. I hope you guys can hear the difference. Hopefully my voice comes out a bit more clearer. You can hear the engine noise, the blow-off valve. So hopefully this helps with my videos, helps the quality, helps you guys understand me clearer, and you guys can actually hear the car and feel the car through the sounds of my YouTube videos. So as you can see, I'm invested in the channel. I hope you guys are invested in the channel also by liking and subscribing. I'm still learning. This is my first YouTube channel. I'm still learning how to video edit. I'm still learning how to talk in front of the camera. So it's just life's just one big learning experience. So I hope you guys like the content so far. Plenty more to come. You know, we just started on the Evo 8 track build. Unfortunately, we're in lockdown at the moment. We can't go past our 5-10 kilometer radius from our home. So tracks aren't open. So I'm trying to put out little content here and there weekly, just trying to get you guys just to watch a bit of videos, pass the time. 2021, it is what it is. Hopefully 2022 is a bit better, a bit more track days open, we can go to the drags, stuff like that. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next video.